this is how they will sound.
Here, welcome back or welcome, and if it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video and share it all around with your friends. With this said, we're gonna start the review of the Edifier WH700NB. This one's here, guys. I'm telling you, they need to put the names easier because my god, WH700NB. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna tell you all about those. I'm gonna tell the price, talk about the specs, we're gonna do a mic review, we're gonna talk about the noise cancelling because yes, they have ANC and at this price point is really good. With this said, let's start the review. Looking at the price, the Edifier WH700NB has a price tag of £49.99 in UK, and let me tell you, they pack a lot of features for this price. For the US, the price is the same but in dollars, so it's $49.99. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description, so please check them up for best price and input information. Looking at the unboxing, you have a USB-C charging cable and some manuals, so no case. And that's a shame, but looking at the price tag, you wouldn't expect that. Looking at the WH700NB, they don't look cheap at all. They have a pretty decent heft to them. They also have a very generous memory foam padding, with the cushions feeling quite soft, including the headband. They have a metal accent for the hinge as you are rotating it and extending the headband outward. Apart from what was already mentioned, they are made of plastic, but again, they don't feel cheap at all. At the bottom, on the right side, you have the buttons, so you have the volume up and the multifunctions button that is also used to turn it on and off. After that is the volume down. There is also a Bluetooth pairing button and the USB-C port. Let's see some of the specs now. So, they have Bluetooth 5.3 chipset. They have 40mm dynamic drivers, SPC audio codec, ANC and ambient sound mode, low latency gaming with 0.08 seconds, multi-point connection, so you can connect two devices at the same time, fast charging, and they have support for Edifier Connect app. As you guys can see, this is a lot for a budget price headphone. Looking at the battery life next. So, the Edifier WH700NB scored big on battery life, with a whopping 68 hours of battery life with ANC on and 45 hours with ANC off. It's not only this, because if you need to charge them quickly, 10 minutes will give you 8 hours of playback time. Quite impressive at this price point. The app is called Edifier Connect and is the same use with all Edifier products. Some of the features will not work with these budget headphones, but I have done a few reviews of Edifier products where I talk about the app, so please go and check it. It's an easy to use app. You can see the headphones battery. After that, you can choose to turn ANC on, ambient mode, or turn it all off. After that, you can choose EQs. You can also, on advanced settings, change the controls, for example. A very simple app that works. ANC. Let's keep in mind the price tag on this. But the ANC is pretty effective. I would say it's not the same of the true flagships, but again, you're not paying that price, are you? Engine sounds, lower frequencies noises get repressed quite well, and with the larger cushions design, the isolation is quite good also. So, in my opinion, for things like commute, for example, the Edifier WH700NB is really good. Just before we talk about the sound quality, let's have a look at the mics, with the mic test indoors and outdoors.
Right guys, so this is the sound of the microphones of the WH700NB inside of my studio. So if you want to take a phone call, this is how they will sound on a quiet ambient. We're going to go outside and do the exact same test outside. Right guys, so this is the sound of the microphones of the Edifier WH700NB outside. So we're outside, it's not windy today, so yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound. We're going to go back inside and carry on with the review.
Sound quality. The WH700NB have large 40mm drivers, giving it sufficient bass in my opinion, with pretty satisfying thump. Mids and trebles also have good enough detail, I would say. Listen to vocals and instrumentals provide you sufficient comfort with good enough details for a pair of headphones at this price range. The Edifier WH700NB are a pretty basic pair of wireless headphones with ANC that will not break your bank. They have a massive battery life, fast charging, good enough ANC, and great sound. In my opinion, they can also compete with headphones at higher price point. I would say these are the best pair in 2023 if you look at value versus specs. Again, you have solid sound, great comfort, and good enough specs. And that's it, guys. This was our review on the Edifier WH700NB. If you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share it around with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. If you want to buy them, I will leave links in the video description, so please use them. It doesn't harm you and helps the channel. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.